Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower sink flange seal for this KitchenAid garbage disposer, you will need a 3/8" nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the unit's power cord. If there is not enough slack, detach the dishwasher's drain hose from the disposer inlet port, if applicable. Using the 3/8" nut driver or the flathead screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the tailpipe flange to the disposer. Now rotate the lock ring counterclockwise to release the disposer from the sink. Next, use the flathead screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws, securing the mounting bracket to the strainer flange. With the screws loosened, lift the bracket up and use the screwdriver to pry the mounting ring free of the strainer flange. You can now set the old lower seal aside. To install the new lower sink flange seal, confirm the mounting bracket screws are partially unthreaded. Align the mounting plate on the bracket, followed by the new lower flange seal. Align the mounting ring on the bottom, then holding the components together, position them on the bottom of the strainer flange. Push the bracket up while pushing down on the strainer flange. Then snap the mounting ring into place in the strainer flange groove. With the rings secured, tighten all 3 screws. Reinstall the disposer by positioning it in the mounting bracket, making sure the disposer's outlet port is aligned with the tailpipe. Confirm the tailpipe gasket is in place on the outlet port. Then position the tailpipe flange with the port and thread the 2 screws to secure. Now fully rotate the disposer lock ring clockwise until it locks into place. If applicable, reattach the dishwasher's drain hose to the inlet port. Plug the power cord back in, and the garbage disposer should be ready for use.